Good morning. I thought about sharpening my chainsaw's blade this morning. They gave me this thin file at the shop to use it, but I just thought it's maybe a nice idea just to clamp it in my vise. I clamp this on my vise and then I can release it and then move it and then hook it again. Okay, but first I think we must first go and make a mark here to see where we start here. Take a piece of Tipex or something. And then we can go and see there's two angles, one like this. You get nice machines on the internet that you can does it automatically or whatever, but this is a tedious job. Then you can just go and, because I use it over the holidays, but it's kind of blunt, so I need to sharpen it again. Then I'm gonna first, as I said, I'm gonna move it on to the next one. Okay, I'm just gonna give a close-up here. You can see here's one blade. The angle is like this. And then here's the other side. You see that blade is like that. The angle is like that. You can see already how we sharpened it previously. And then that's the other side. So every second one is the other way around. Okay, this is more the way to, as I said, like you sharpen it like this. It's on the edge. It's on that edge that the cutting of the wood, and there's just a guide or something for each one. Okay. I also thought about using an electric drill and connect this to the chuck. Around, that's not going to work. Maybe it was a bad idea, but whatever. If you go and you spin it, you can just hold this here. It just gives some pressure. The next one. Because as long as your angle is the same, and you can feel it if you're doing it right. But I just have a feeling that this is the best way to do it with the hand. You must also make sure that you tighten this thing. You can always put some little bit oil on here. Use some 3-in-1 oil and put it on your file. And then use some oil. Then your file will last longer. And unclip it. And next one. And next one. Next one. Okay. So just go until you finish, and then you're done to get the white mark again. Then you know you're right through. Put some more oil on here. Because I only use this once a year. When it lies here for a year, moment you want to use it, you remember your blades is blunt. Your chain is not good. I have another chain, but this is also... Oh, so now there's a white mark again. Where I started, now I have to move my angle and then do the other side. But it's difficult to go from this way. Let me just then finish this one. There's another interesting thing I'm going to show you now about this little motor. I have like a video to show you where I put some fuel directly into the chamber here. So just do the same angle, see where they join it. And then, but anyway, so now I remove the pull start. There's also a hassle to start the thing in the beginning once you want to use it after it was lying for a whole year. Let's get the angle here correctly. And then here's the mark again, here's the last one. Okay, now I think this is ready for the next job, but it's just very interesting. Another thing I want to show you, let's just take it off here. The first time I noticed, actually a long time ago, okay, there's in the front where this front part is running on, there's a little wheel here, like a sprocket with a bearing, and that oil that releases here, that lubricate the chain, also go in there. There's a little hole there, you can lubricate it there. But here's some interesting stuff here. Okay, now what I did, you can see here, I removed the pull start here, just to, because it's a hassle, as I said, to go and start this thing every time. Then I made myself, I just want to go quickly get it. Okay, here is it. It is a socket. It is a 1/2 inch socket that I weld onto a piece of a round bar, and then that fits perfectly there by the nut. And then I use my drill. You use your drill, and then you fasten this here, put it in here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm just use a drill that's got to run fast, and then you put your fuel on, switch it on, and then you go and you go like this. You'll see as now, this is a DeWalt, but I think this, I'm sure this is a fake. This is not the real deal. Okay, anyway. See, this one is not good. Let me just get another drill, yeah. Let's put this away. Here's the old, this one I'm using for years now. This Bosch machine is a nice drill. Let's plug this in. There's one thing about this type of chucks. This press button is like an indents on the gear here that you, and then it's stripped, and then you battle to get it fastened. Okay, now you take this, it goes reverse, and then you fasten this. You put it like this. So release it, and then you make sure it's not on a hammer drill. This is how you start your chainsaw without a pull start. That works very, very nicely. Okay, but anyway, this is just one I want to show you this morning, is how to fasten, to sharpen your home chainsaw blade. Is to fasten it, put it on a vise here, then you have a nice control over it. But I must say, this is a very nice home light, very nice machine. I had it like about for 10 years now already, but it keeps on working. It's no issue. Very nice machine. Just gonna put back this all properly, and that's it. That is all from my side this morning. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.